Right. This point brought to you by Aaron Carter. Caught his new album?
Just played a show.
Oh, you did. Catch him on his tour, his Toronto tour, yesterday.
Where is that?
All right. Oh yeah, we got black versus dark blue. Yeah, that was a really good grab. One-handed stretchy.
Why do I have this purple shirt?
Nice toss, Mike.
Nice pull. Going for the OI. It's cold out here. All right, black team. It's hard to tell.
I can dance 5K.
All right, the Hamburg's Cup is working. Let's see what they decide to do. Seems like they're not phased. The handler threw a bit of a shank. Earl's handling on our sideline needs some help. Mark should stay there. He's the main recipient. Yeah. NT. That pass should have definitely went to Mark. And now we got black bringing it in where Earl is. I'm gonna open my Snickers. Yummy.
Where's Kenjamin?
I didn't expect him to come last week, and he showed up, and then everyone was here.
Got the long
My
mark.
brother wanted to come.
Got him corner.
Uppy.
Corner.
Nice. Oh,
GB.
that was not a
Great
nice,
Britain.
very nice.
Mark's handling, gets to Amanda, nice pass. Very
Eyes
good
on Mike.
aggressive run. Oh, that wasn't Amanda, that's Burn.
Oh, good try.
That's not the first time I've done that. I've done that a few times. Clearly, I'm only looking at like certain features, how tall they are. Whoops. Bad filming, part one. Rips it.
Nice toss, Mike.
Earl.
Keep going, Earl! Dive, Earl! Dive!
Nice try, Earl.
I can hear him muttering.
We'll say it for him.
Yeah.
Feels like chocolate. Oh. Your favorite. Snickers.
Snickers.
Official sponsor of the game.
So, Gary, you guys could get to Union last night, huh?
What's up?
Last
You guys went to Union?
Union? Yeah, it was fucking a shit show.
For what? For what?
Damn. $125 Belvedere bottles.
Yeah,
Oh, you
Mark.
Marky?
Yeah, Mark.
Yeah! Nice, buddy. Good tip.
GB again.
Damn. Just enough.
So, what, you did
Just
get
the
in?
tip.
All you need
did.
is
We
the
had
tip.
table.
That's all you
We took a
need.
little down too.
Oh, so you did get in?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you
So we didn't get in?
Mark Doondall.
No, we were in.
What was the occasion?
We got Bernice trailing. Bernice should stay there. Good
$125
job by Burn.
Belvedere, dude. So cheap.
That is
Good cut by Burn.
So
Good cut by
cheap.
Mike. Mike gets the pass.
What is it usually?
What's up?
Throws it up for Burn. Intercepted. Oh, that was for Earl. We got Jeannie and Earl in the front cup. They hammer it over. Can't really help that. Breaking in progress, and it stops.
Mark, watch right.
Good D, guys. Good D.
Mike gotta get
Really
there.
good D.
Oh, those hammers are the things you want to force, of course.
You got Earl.
Nice.
We got a Burn on the sideline,
Center,
being guarded
center.
by generic black headband.
Perfect for
I'm so cold. It's so shaky.
Too lateral, no?
Want to switch hands?
No, it's okay.
Mike could do.
I have something wrong.
Yeah, Mike.
It's okay.
Mark could also do.
It's alright. I got it.
Mark can do like a full field.
I don't mind running with us, though, but when I'm standing here radiating.
Oh, that is
Come
good.
in just to throw a hammer.
What is that? What is that?
and
Can I
he's
have
done.
some? We're still sick.
Caramel and minty.
But
I feel like I wouldn't get sick from what
No
you have
hot swap?
because
I feel like you gave
we both have.
3-point
Yeah, we
hot
both
swap.
have got it.
Up!
Yeah,
That's
Mike.
Mike!
Mike says, "Give me that shit."
Forcing onto the field.
Mike to Bernice. Bernice looking around. Forehands it to Earl. A bit low, but Earl managed to grab. Hi, Colin. Burn's gonna forehand that for sure.
Yes.
Nice, Earl.
Give me that. Look at that blurry face of Burn. And the even blurrier face of Earl.
Next line would be
That is
Gary.
3-0.
You want to fix lines though?